Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the install goes smoothly. Check your tablet OS version and free storage. This prevents failed installs. Once done, enable configuration options you actually need. For example, developer options only if an app requires them. Make sure to allow installs from unknown sources temporarily when using APK files, and then revoke that permission later for safety. These steps reduce friction and explain why subsequent app installs and live wallpaper permission. Now you pick an app and get it onto the device. You should compare ratings and permission lists because heavy permissions often mean more battery draw. Install from the official store when possible. If sideloading, verify the APK signature and MD5 so you avoid malicious files. Once installed, grant the wallpaper and overlay permissions that let the app run on the home screen. After granting access, apply a simple live wallpaper to test how it behaves and why permissions matter for smooth playback. Finish by optimizing and securing the experience. You should tweak animation speed and frame rate to balance visuals and battery life, and mute any wallpaper sounds if you prefer silence. Make sure the wallpaper is assigned to home and lock screens when available, because behavior can differ. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, restart the tablet, and disable aggressive battery optimization for the wallpaper app. This often restores motion. If problems persist, reinstall the app. That typically fixes corrupted resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.